I'm Joost and today I'm unboxing the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. So let's unbox this and see what we get. We'll get the camera, an extensive book right here, a USB to USB-C cord, cool leather strap. So let's look at that. So there's a really cool retro looking camera. It has that plastic leathery type feel the old cameras used to have. Then this is where the photos will come out. You have a flash, a button here, buttons to print them. Back screen, so you can view. You can even attach this to like a camera stand with a 3.5mm thread. And down here is space for a micro SD card to store the photos and the USB cable. Then you have this cool leather strap, which is pretty sturdy. And then the USB cable, of course. So let's try this out. It's very easy to use. You can just charge this with the supplied USB cable, and then once it's charged you can just put in the cartridge with the photo paper for Fujifilm Evo, which is pretty straightforward to do. And then you can just point and shoot and click and it will instantly be saved to the micro SD card. Now the cool thing for this camera is you can look at the photo and see if you like it, and only if you like it you can use the print button right here. Just move that back, just like with an old-timey camera, and it will start printing the photo. And the photo quality is pretty good, so you instantly have a nice looking photo that's ready to develop. Just put it face down in a dark area so it can develop properly, and then after a few minutes you have a cool photo and a nice memory.